Hi, I'm Julianne with Striven. Let's talk about silos. No, not quite. Let's talk about data silos. Great for farmers, bad for business. Bottom line, data silos can disrupt your business's productivity and lines of communication. They also can cause major damage to your company's culture. That's why this Striven Insight video is all about preventing them by making sure your data is all in the right place and is easily accessible. But before we jump in, it would be amazing if you could give this video a like and hit subscribe so you can see even more content like this. Now, let's get started. Data silos occur where there is division within your organization, usually a natural byproduct of your growth. It's like this. With an influx of new work, businesses will try to delegate responsibilities to different teams, divisions, or departments. While the type of departments vary by industry, any business with more than a few employees will naturally start to fall into this model. The problem really comes from software. Each department uses a different software system to share and store information. That's where the trouble begins. When that data can't easily be shared outside of the department's system, a data silo forms. A typical scenario. Company A stores its financial data in QuickBooks and its customer data in HubSpot. Each software system works really well for what it does, but what happens when Company A wants to assess customer profitability? Data has to be transferred from one system to another, either through a clunky integration or worse, manually. Aside from the risks that the company is taking with missing data or human error, the process simply takes too much time. But let's explore this issue with a little more depth. So there are three key areas where data silos hurt organizations the most. Productivity. There will always be data that needs to be shared outside of a department. If too much time is wasted tracking down that information, then work can pile up and slow down everything. Accuracy and analysis. When information needs to be shared outside of a division, it may need to be edited. Not only does this take additional time, but as that data gets passed back and forth, mistakes in reporting may occur, or the data could get lost entirely. And finally, culture. How well employees get along is usually dependent on how efficiently they can work together. Having to rely on other divisions for information can naturally cause frustration and resentment if it's always a waiting game. The bottom line is data silos cause problems both in process and productivity, and there's a right and wrong way to fix them. So most businesses can see the problems that data silos cause, but they don't always correctly identify the problem. And why? Because it's easy to attribute a work pileup or delays to lack of productivity. But in reality, the employees in this situation feel overwhelmed and helpless. Because silos create so much tension between employees, management might try to treat the symptoms by strengthening company culture. But that rarely fixes the root of these issues. So how can your company develop a more fluid workflow and speed up information retrieval without having to tear down your entire divisional structure? It's all about the data and the software you use. Having an intelligent and streamlined way to share information within your organization takes the burden off of any particular employee or division to provide access to others. Documents shared internally reduces search time to seconds, so naturally the solution is to find a document storage solution that helps divisions share, right? Not so fast. There are thousands of software products on the market, all with varying degrees of functionality. Prioritizing the right software solution for you will save you time and money by helping you avoid costly integrations that still don't give you the results that you need. No more wasting time looking for misplaced information locked away in another employee's digital cabinet. Providing tech that promotes easy accessibility will help your company culture in a way that no other solution can. Growth is a cause for celebration, but it also presents new challenges for your organization. When dealing with disconnectivity, your instinct might be to diffuse tension by boosting morale or promoting a happy company culture. But let's face it, work is work. True collaboration comes from visibility, clarity, and accessibility. When you're able to connect your company via data sharing, you'll get rid of the work pileup and provide the best stress-free environment for your employees. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to learn more about software solutions that can help you during times of growth, or any time whatsoever, you can click the link below and visit our website. Until next time, leave silos for the farmers. We'll see you soon.